Here we are going to solve the first problem of the lead code, which is usually programmed by some of the prominent programmer. It has been started from the sum of the two number. So here example has been given. This is the array 2, 7, 11, 15, and we have to find it target 9, and we have to return it the indices of that array. So as usual, you can see here how it is able to find the target by the summation method. So let's understand the problems. So like so we have array. So like here you can see and we have target that is 9. So here you can see the indices 0, 1, 2, 3. If we iterate it one by one, so like first 2 we have iterated it, we got 9. But here in this problem has been given, you can see only two number you have to add up, and exactly one times one input has been used, not a multiple times. Here you can see, so you cannot, this number will be used multiple times. Here only one times you can use it. So here you can iterate it, we are getting 18 and so on. Here we are getting 24. So only one output we are getting here. So like there are brute force one method to apply for loop and get the answer. So how do I get? So here you can see the only two number I have to add it. So we have to iterate two for loop, like for loop with this and for loop this, and we will get if target value equal to this, then we have to return this. So this is the one method. Now we have to look at another. So another one is like first of write it our array 2, 7, 11, 13. So first of all we have to create a dictionary. Like here you can see indices of this is like 1, 7, 0, 1, 11, 2, 13, 3, and we have to go one indices, first indices. Here the value is 2, so target minus 2 equal to 7. So find it, 7 is existing here or not. Is yes, it means here we have to find the indices like I, Z, return it. This is the simple one. Here complexity will be 2n means on, but in earlier here indi will be complexity will be 1 on square. So this is the complexity issue. So let's code it in the so number of list, target number we have given. So we have to iterate it for I in len of if sum z equal to target, like here you can see, then return the indices. So like I, z, so these are the brute force solution. So like we have to test this. Oh sorry, I calculated the length and then we have to look up the indices value. Now and Okay, so here I not equal to j, it should be also required. This is the first solution. Second one is like create a list, create a dictionary for it, empty dictionary. Here this dictionary need to be for in range line nums empty it should be I. Okay, oh, nums for I in range. Let's calculate the length. Okay, and find out the remaining means target minus nums minus I if remain number in empty list and in empty list whatever the remain number indices should not be equal to that would be I. If yes, then return I and indentation level. Okay, okay.